Hey everybody, Mr. Ashton here, and today I'm going to read Pete the Cat and the Tip Top Treehouse. Let's get started. Pete the Cat has built a treehouse. He calls his friends. I just built a treehouse, he says. Come over to play. Pete's friends show up. This is great, say his friends, but it's a little too small. Uh-oh. You're right, says Pete. It is too small. I'll fix that. So Pete starts building a bigger treehouse. Pretty big. Do you want some help? Asks Callie. Sure, says Pete. So Callie carries up more wood. It's really nice of her. Can I help too? Asks Marty. Sure, says Pete. And together they build a tower for Pete's treehouse. Whoa. Look how big that tower is. It's pretty nice. Let's have a treehouse party, says Marty. A party, says Pete. But what will everyone do? What's everyone going to do? I can help with that, says Emma. This is great, says Pete. Let's do it. So Emma the dog brought some treehouse plants. Pete, Marty, Callie, Emma, and Grumpy Toad get right to work. They build an arcade and they fill it with fun games. They build a bowling alley and it has 20 lanes. It's a lot of bowling. They build a wave pool so Pete can surf indoors. They build a movie theater and a skate park, Mr. Ashton's favorite, and a climbing wall and an ice rink. Pete's friends all come for the party. Pete takes one friend to the bowling alley and one friend to the movie theater, takes one friend to the skate park, and lets one of his friends surf in the wave pool. Is everyone here? Asked Pete. Yeah, but we're all alone, his friends say. We came to play together. Oh, says Pete. Everyone, meet down at the jungle gym. So everyone climbs down. This treehouse is amazing, say his friends. They have video games and skateboarding and surfing and bowling, and now they're playing at the jungle gym. Thanks, says Pete. I'm so glad it brought us all together. Look, they're all playing together. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to be uploading some more videos soon. Have a great day. Bye.